Hello and welcome to today's quick tutorial. So are you a student and you're in middle school and you need a GPA calculator for your school? Congratulations, we at Ivy Plug, we've created a web tool for you that can calculate your GPA for middle school. So to get started, you can either go to ivyplug.com. That's ivyplug.com, and then once the website loads, you head over to our free calculator section over here. So we have free admission calculators over here. You click on it. So once it loads up, you scroll down through the different calculators. Then you can pick this particular one that you are interested in, which is the CGPA calculator for middle school. So once you pick it, it opens up. Usage is fairly easy. You can pick your current CGPA scale anywhere from 4.0 to 5.0 to 12.0. So once you've selected that, for the sake of the tutorial, we're picking the 4.0. Then you'll be picking a course name. Let's say ENG 112. You will enter your grade, it be the number of credits. Then you can add in more courses with the add more course button. Once you are done with adding everything you want to add, you click on calculate CGPA and it will calculate your CGPA, your total quality points, and your total credit. So it will calculate for you your total GPA, your total quality points, and your total credit. So that's the first way you can go about it. Another way you can go about it is heading over to google.com and type in google.com and typing in Ivy Plug space GPA calculator for middle school. So you search. This is the first link. This link over here. So you just click on the link. It will take you directly to the calculator. Yeah, it loads up the calculator directly and you can use. You can also check up more calculators by heading to this top free admission calculators here. Clicking on it, it will show you a list of other calculators. We have various calculators. We have GSU GPA calculator, we have UTK GPA calculator, we have MISO GPA calculator, we have middle school calculator with no credit, we have class average grade calculator, we have final grade calculator for college, we have weighted GPA calculator, unweighted GPA calculator, GPA calculator for middle school, LSU GPA calculator, and so much more. You can head over to the next page for more calculators by clicking on this next or by clicking on individual numbers here. So with that, we'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye and peace.